These chocolate chip cookies with margarine instead of butter are extremely soft and chewy, packed with chocolate, and very easy to make. Functions of fat in cookies. Fat has a lot of very important functions, especially when making baked goods like cookies. It has a critical role in the formation of the structure of the cookie. The type of fat you use will also affect the flavor. Can I use margarine instead? You can use margarine instead of butter for any cookie recipe. But, keep in mind, the flavor will be affected. However, margarine gives cookies a much better texture. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 1½ cups of margarine, 2½ cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 4 cups cake flour, ½ teaspoon of fine salt, 2 cups dark chocolate chips. Step by step. Step 1. Line a cookie sheet or baking pan with non-stick baking paper. Place the softened margarine in a large bowl. Start creaming it until it becomes light and fluffy. Then, add the brown sugar and continue creaming. Next, you add the vanilla extract and mix it in. Add 2 large eggs, beating well between every addition. Step 2. Add the sifted cake flour and fine salt to the creamed butter mixture. When the flour is almost fully incorporated, add the chocolate chips. Step 3. Divide the dough into roughly 24 to 30 balls. Then, neatly roll the balls and place them onto the lined cookie sheet. Gently press each ball to make them slightly flatter. Then, rest the shaped cookies in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes. Then, remove the baked cookies from the oven and allow them to cool. Afterward, remove the cookies and place them on a cooling rack. Tips and tricks. Make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature before mixing them. Do not overwork the dough. You must rest the cookie dough before baking them. Chilling the dough helps solidify the fat. This will help prevent them from spreading too much when they bake in the oven. You can substitute the dark chocolate chips with white or milk chocolate chips if you'd like. To make these cookies more chocolatey, substitute the chocolate chips with large chunks of chocolate. They will melt and create a much more gooey cookie. To store these cookies, simply place them in an airtight container once they have completely cooled. Then, store them in a cool, dark place. They will be best served within 1 week. However, they can last for about 2 weeks. You can also conveniently freeze the cookie dough. Our recommendation is to shape the balls and place them on a lined baking tray. Then, freeze them individually. Once frozen, store them together in an airtight container. This method will save you a ton of time. When you're ready to bake then, place the frozen balls back onto the baking tray, thaw them for 10 minutes and bake immediately. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.